Well, relief for comedian Kunal Kamra. The Bombay High Court has heard his petition that he had filed requesting the quashing of the FIR that has been registered against him. Now, you know, the Kunal Kamra controversy is, of course, related to the comedy show that he performed in Mumbai, where he took digs at the Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Eknath Shinde. And, of course, Shiv Sena workers were offended by the contents of that. And they, of course, went and vandalized the comedy venue, the habitat where it was performed. And, of course, Kunal Kamra faced an FIR because of the complaint registered, which was then turned into an FIR by the Mumbai Police upon receipt of the complaint. Now, today, the Bombay High Court heard his petition, and also his lawyer took the court through all the details that he had to put forward in Kunal Kamra's defense, including the fact that Kunal Kamra said that there were threats being issued to him, etc. Also pointing to the fact that this was indeed comedy, this was indeed statements that others had also made, and also all of these things that have that has been argued in this case was put before the court. In fact, the state's lawyer also had a chance to make their points before the court. The court reserved its orders on the quashing of the FIR for which the petition was filed after hearing the entire case, but did say that the police cannot arrest Kunal Kamra for now, and that is something that would be a relief, because obviously otherwise he would have faced arrest. But the court did give him that relief, temporary relief, because the court will also pass orders on the quashing of the FIR. And the police, of course, can question him, but obviously this is a relief because he will not be arrested. Now, the larger question which also came up before the court was freedom of speech versus, someone taking offence, and all of those things also came up in detail, in fact, during the hearing. The hearing took place in the Bombay High Court. Earlier, Kunal Kamra had moved the Madras High Court, but then, of course, he moved the Bombay High Court. And the court was supposed to take up the petition today. Eventually, it did. And then, of course, it reserved its order after hearing both sides. But the relief for Kunal Kamra is that he cannot be arrested for now, and that's something that would be of huge relief to Kunal Kamra, as of course he has claimed that he was merely performing comedy shows, and that was well within his rights to freedom of speech, while the Shiv Sena, which took offence, has said that there were offensive statements being made, and that is something that they took offence to. In fact, the comedy venue, like I said, was vandalised, and then Kunal Kamra faced FIRs based on complaints that were filed with the police, which the police turned into an FIR. So that's where it stands. The court will obviously pass its orders soon, but till then, Kunal Kamra obviously has relief from arrest. For more such videos, stay tuned to NDTV's YouTube platform, where we bring you the news with context. Stay tuned to NDTV. Thank you so much for watching. For all the news and updates, NDTV is the place that you can come to.